In this video, we're going to go over how you can build a strong deck here in Clash Royale using the WAGS rule. This is going to be a full breakdown of everything that you need to know, but before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel. But if you want to build a solid deck here in Clash Royale but you're not sure where to start, here's a simple method that works for all skill levels. It's called the WAGS. Let me break it down. W essentially means win condition. This is the card that helps you take down towers. In this example, in this deck that I'm going to go ahead and make, I'm actually going to choose the Lumberjack. A essentially stands for air defense, and you're going to need at least 2 troops that can target air units. In my deck, I'm actually using the Goblin Gang for the Spear Goblins, as well as the Bats to kind of overrun them, but I also use a little bit of the Witch as well. G stands for ground units. You want to add solid ground units for both defense and control. Once again in mine, the Goblin Gang kind of affects that, as well as the Witch, because she spawns in all those skeletons. Now it's recommended that you always keep 2 spells to deal with pushes and swarms as well as support troops. In my deck, I guess I'm running the freeze as well as the log. I wouldn't really count the log as a spell, but it kind of like helps deal with those pushes as well. But obviously feel free to adjust based on your style. So a quick recap, you want to have 1 or 2 win conditions. I'd even say the balloon is like a good win condition as well. And then you want to have 2 air targeting troops, 2 reliable ground units, and 2 spells. And by following the WAGS rule, you'll be on your way to building a well-rounded deck for almost any mode. Now, if you want deck suggestions, I have a few videos going over the best decks here in Clash Royale. I definitely recommend checking those out. But if this video helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, as well as check out the channel for a bunch of other Clash Royale guides just like this one. Have a great day. Peace.